Klipspruit Sports Center will host its first ever professional boxing tournament in 2 weeks' time. The original tournament, originally earmarked for the Riviera on Val back in March, had to be postponed a week before it was staged due to COVID-19. This will be the first boxing tournament since the resumption of sport in the country, but it will only be allowed to take place under strict regulations.
The provision of the sport being back and approved by the minister is on the protocol guidelines of COVID-19. We want to remind the sport people and the sport-loving people of this province and this country that COVID-19 is still very much with us and we still need to comply with the requisite regulations. We will make absolutely certain that the promoters of this event is supported, but also that they follow all the strict guidelines of COVID-19. One of the key areas is to appoint a COVID-19 compliance officer.
Like many sporting codes, the inability to stage the fights in the country for the past few months has had serious financial implications for both the promoters and the boxers. Organizers of the upcoming Soweto boxing tournament have pleaded with government to at least allow a limited number of fans to attend the tournament.
We're looking forward, we are excited, and we're glad that our boxers, they've been keeping fit, they're ready, you can see by the excitement that they're giving. But most importantly, we are praying and saying to the minister, we're pleading with you, please allow spectators for the 17th, at least even if they can give us 250 people, just as a start.
Due to a lack of tournaments, the boxers have suffered huge financial losses.
Obviously, you know that boxing is boxers, especially boxers, they get money when they get fights. So for the quietness that was in for the last 5 months, it was hard for every boxer. So at least now that things are getting back, we are appreciating and grateful.
Some had to come up with other means to make a living. This includes reigning South African Boxer of the Year, Thulani Mbenge, who is also a personal trainer.
Coach has a gym on his backyard, so we're always training. We're always training people also around, so it didn't really affect us as much when it comes to training and activity. But obviously when it comes to fights, it did affect us, but there's nothing we can take away from that. The only thing we can take now is that the sport is back. We have to seize each and every opportunity that we get out there, and we are ready.
Mbenge will fight Katembo Guvesa from the Democratic Republic of Congo in the main bout of the tournament for the vacant ABU welterweight title. The main supporting bout will be between Xolisani Nomeva Ndongeni and Prince Dlomo. Sfiso Ramara, SABC News, Soweto.